Hi, it's Maureen. This is Life Starts at Retirement, and today is just going to be a very short video. I have my mom and two of my grandkids here with me today, so I thought I'd sneak out onto the deck in sunny Surprise, Arizona, and do a quick video for you. Today's video are just two sort of lessons maybe that I learned this week that I just wanted to quickly share with you. The first one, and we all know this, but sometimes we forget, life is short. We had two people that we know pass away this week. My cousin's husband, 71 years old. He did have a lot of health issues, but he went out for a walk, collapsed, and never made it back, unfortunately. 71 years old. And then the second one was a childhood friend. He lived directly across the street from us when I grew up. He was 61, same age as I am today, and he went in for an operation and again didn't make it home. And so we all know this, but sometimes you just get living your life and you forget about it. Life really can be short, so live your life to the fullest and make your retirement remarkable. And then the second lesson that I learned this week is just that I went for a walk with a friend of mine, and we're walking and we're talking. We're kind of just, I don't know, sharing stuff going on in our lives. And we both kind of stopped and looked at each other and said, everybody is going through something. Everybody. I don't know a single person on this planet that isn't going through something. So treat everybody with kindness, with respect, and just try to be a little bit more gentle because everybody really is going through something. So that's all for today. I am Maureen Dobransky. This is Life Starts at Retirement, and I produce a retirement lifestyle video every Saturday at noon.